Hey guys, today I'm back with these neon circle nails. They were painted for the A to Z nail art challenge and the topic was circles. So if you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with painting all of my nails with this Circ colour polish in High Society. I love it. It's green, but it's got a nice bronzy shimmer and hollow. It's just gorgeous. And then with my Mayu London Holy Shapes, I want to say 09 plate, I stamped these little half circle design in black. It's got half side where the full circles and half side where the circles are missing. And just stamp that onto my nail. Cleaning up around. And then with a brush and acetone, I'm just cleaning around the cuticles and all the mess. And then I applied a smudge resistant top coat. Something quick and simple this time. And there you go, these neon circle nails. I just think that polish is so beautiful that it didn't need much to go with this nail design. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!